All right, so you have to put you need to create alerts in your trading view. And the big thing about the alerts is that first you need to set it on your computer and set it on your phone, because the alert on your computer is not the same as your phone. It's crazy. You actually have to do both, because if you set it on your computer and you go outside, you might not get it on your phone. That's how TradingView works with the alerts. But the the point of this video is to just talk about how important alerts are, because you never know which direction the market can go into, but it guides you. So as you can see, I have a lot of alerts. You don't need too much. You always got to keep it simple. I believe in keeping things simple, and I have this favorite saying that the road to simplicity is complicated, but simplicity is the key to the process of success. Is one of the keys and laws of success. Um, so yeah, we got all these alerts. It helps with your trading view and setting trends, seeing where things are going. It keeps you aware. So when you click alerts, you can always edit it. Then you always want to make sure it's every time once. When you get here, you put in the number, and if it's going down, you click crossing down or crossing up or just crossing. Always have to make sure you click more actions, and you definitely have to make sure you click play sound. You don't want no thin sound. You want the hot bell, so even if you're sleeping, it's gonna wake you up. Then you can send it to you always want to make sure you're good with this. You send it to your email. You type in alerts. Me personally, I got this 3 times: alert, alert, alert. And let's see. Then you're good. Then you save it. Then you just wait for the bell. All right, have a good day.